Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today, our video topic is how to get long and thickened hair permanently at home. Before starting, I want to say please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a medium-sized ginger. Cut it into small pieces. Now take a clean blender. Keep the ginger pieces in the blender. Blend it now. After blending, strain it now. Now add half piece of lemon juice. Mix it well properly. Now it's ready for use. Apply it on your hair gently 3 to 4 times in a week before 2 hours of bathing for better results. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.